how much should you actually spend on an iPad Air M4 keyboard? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but others return the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, ESR 13-inch case keyboard. Priced at $109.99, this one stood out to me with its unique magnetic stand feature. If you want to transform your iPad into a portable productivity machine, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The compatibility is limited to the iPad Air 13-inch models, but if you own one, it's a game changer. The quick-set magnetic stand allows you to adjust your screen to the perfect angle, making typing or browsing much more comfortable. Plus, the ultra-sensitive multi-touch trackpad makes navigation feel effortless, so you can swipe and tap with precision. Now, some people complained about its price being a bit high for what it offers. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for quality and comfort in a keyboard, you might find that the investment pays off in productivity. This is perfect for you if you're someone who often works on the go or needs a reliable keyboard for serious tasks. Skip this one if you're just looking for casual use or plan on using your iPad mainly for entertainment. Now, if the price of the ESR keyboard was a concern for you, the next one on our list is more budget-friendly but still packs a punch.
Product number 2, ESR 11-inch case keyboard. We have the ESR for iPad Air 11-inch case with keyboard. At $59.99, this model caught my eye for its ultra-light and magnetic detachable design. If you're after versatility in your iPad experience, definitely give this one a closer look. The magnetic detachable feature means you can easily switch between using it as a keyboard and a regular tablet. It has 2 viewing angles, which is super convenient, whether you're working or just chilling with a movie. Plus, with a 65% larger trackpad, navigating feels smooth and responsive, which is a must when you're multitasking. However, some users mentioned that it doesn't come with a backlight, which can be frustrating in low light. But honestly, if you mostly work in well-lit environments, that might not be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight solution that offers flexibility. Skip this one if you often work in dim lighting or need a more feature-rich keyboard. It gives you value for money without the extra bulk. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love illuminated features.
Product number 3, Harvopu backlit keyboard case. Let's talk about the Harvopu compatible with iPad Air 11-inch and Air 5th/4th generation, priced at just $29.98. This one really surprised me with its 7-color backlit feature. If you want something stylish and functional, this one's definitely worth considering. What's exciting about this keyboard is the multi-touch trackpad, allowing you to perform tasks smoothly without ever touching the screen. The backlit feature makes it perfect for late-night work sessions. Imagine typing comfortably in the dark. Plus, it has an adjustable viewing angle, which you can tweak for any task, whether it's typing or watching videos. Now, some folks have reported that the keyboard can feel a bit flimsy compared to pricier options, but honestly, for the price, I think you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. This is perfect for you if you're a student or someone who does a lot of typing in low light conditions. Skip this one if you prefer something more robust or if you need a keyboard for heavy-duty use. It's definitely a steal for its price. If that backlit feature caught your eye, the next product has some cool protective features without breaking the bank.
Product number 4, ESR iPad Air 11 keyboard. Another ESR product, the ESR for iPad Air 11-inch case with keyboard. Priced at $95, it offers a nice mix of functionality and style. If you want a keyboard that feels premium without going overboard, this one's a solid consideration. This keyboard promises to turn your iPad into a full-fledged workstation. The quick-set magnetic stand and multiple view modes ensure you find the perfect angle for your tasks. Plus, it features a backlit keyboard and a trackpad, making it easy to navigate and type in any lighting condition. This is especially helpful if you're often working late or in different environments. However, some users have pointed out that the battery life could be better, which is a bit disappointing. But if you're okay with charging it more often, this might still be the right fit for you. This is perfect for you if you do a lot of office work or want a reliable on-the-go keyboard. Skip this if you need an ultra-long battery life or if you're on a super tight budget. It offers great value for the features it packs in. Now, if you're still on the lookout for something more budget-friendly but equally functional, the last option on our list could be just what you need.
Product number 5, Harvopu Folio keyboard cover. We have the Harvopu folio keyboard cover for iPad Air 11-inch, Air 5th/4th generation, at only $29.98. This model is perfect for those who want an economical solution without sacrificing quality. If you're looking for a reliable keyboard that also offers a pencil holder, this is worth checking out. The detachable backlit keyboard is a standout feature, allowing you to type comfortably in the dark. Plus, the adjustable viewing angle provides multiple positions for whatever task you're working on, whether it's drawing, typing, or watching videos. It also has a built-in tray for your Apple Pencil, which is super handy. Some users have mentioned that the keyboard can feel a bit less sturdy than higher-priced models, but honestly, if you're using it primarily for casual tasks or schoolwork, it's a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you're a student or if you just need something functional for everyday use. Skip this if you're looking for something that can handle heavy-duty work. It's a great value for what it offers.
We've looked at 5 great keyboards for the iPad Air M4, the ESR 13-inch case, the ESR 11-inch case, the Harvopu backlit keyboard, and 2 more from Harvopu. Each has its strengths, whether it's the premium feel, backlit options, or affordability. Choose based on what fits your needs best.